Hello guys, this is Datta. Welcome to the Deva channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a website and how to host it for free. So first we need to do with HTML and CSS. So I'm using PyCharm here. So in PyCharm also there you can use your feel free to use your editors. So I will open my one. Okay, let me just make it as an and coding web web web. Okay, now we just click on create the plan big video. So here we are using so many things here. So what is the project to use? We don't want to use CSS, not use JS. So you might be asking a question like how to use without CSS and JS. So let me get in here, like, get my thing here. So if you open like this, in PyCharm you will see here main.py like that. But if you click on the file folder, coding my coding with you can use only. You can click on new and HTML file. Now you just use HTML file. 4 is not recommended. 5 is recommended. So I make index.html. Once I make this folder, it will show here. So I will show you a quick demo how it works, so you can understand here that we have here. So I have made it in another database here. It's called in Replit. So let me just show you a demo here and opening the for Repel. So you can call it Repel. It's called Repel. So it's we are using now Tailwind CSS. Now here see this. This is like a thing with normal design, normal things, and just like this. Okay. Now I will show you here this thing. So if you're using iCharm, you will not get a good thing. You will not using good thing. So I will copy here. So here, and I'll go give this document here also with the code here. Where have to use this thing? I will give you all the thing. This one, see, I'm explaining here. This one is the first you have to use. Uh, in the later on video, you will use this image SRC, and you use this uh, image class from Unsplash. So we just open our editor. Yeah. So once you do like this, you can type here and stop here. If you're using VS Code here, I will show you a technique here. You can use exclamation mark to get the thing. I can copy and paste the code. Like this here, we give the code. Next here is we are going to pull and title. So in the if you see my channel here, in my channel I have posted a video that's called how to make a website in just 5 minutes. We are using that technique only, but we are going to host this website for free here. So let me make is as something I make for under members. Nebula Studios. Studio Studios. Now here we have to add an if you know about HTML a little bit, you will get understand it. So you have to use the Tailwind. If you use Bootstrap, you can get this easily. So we are using Tailwind here. Open first Tailwind, and in the second tab you will open here tail blocks. I will give the link to that also. Tail Tailwind TSS and tail blocks. Okay. Here it will show like this. You cannot use here. There is CD and functionality. You cannot use here. So that's why when you click on Get Started here, I will show you. When you open here, click on Get Started. Here at the Tailwind CSS page, you will see this drop down. So we are not using 3.0, we are using 2.19. Click on here. So it will open here this one. Next, hit Ctrl K, or for Mac, also same Ctrl K or Command key. So using type here USIND, using Tailwind via serial. Here you can see the last one. So click on here, and there you go. You can see this command. So open your thing and just open. So if you're using PyCharm, feel free to use anything. In Visual Studio Code, we have to download and think extension called Live Server. Or in here, we can just directly open here with the commands. So we have nothing to do here. We have created a page. Next, this is my fun part. You can use here these tail blocks. You can use light mode and dark mode. I'm showing for you here. So this is the phone mode. For phone also you can make this thing. So this is tablet and this is the phone. So to make the phone size, here we made this. So we are using for desktop. So I want this dark mode. Next, just go scroll down. First we need a header. You know header. When you see like this header, so you can choose whatever you want. I will help you for the customization later. So click on view code, copy the code. If you have seen the video how to make a website in 5 minutes I have made, you get this easily. So next we are using an hero. Hero is nothing but the text, buttons, and the image. It's in the me image. So just click on view code, copy, and open here, and that's it. And after this section here, you just use anything called HR, or you can use BR, which is an element that will give the line easily. Line. So I will show you. If you click on HR and scroll up with this, it will show like this tag we have to use. We use this tag. After this thing, you get an line, which we will use this. So after this hero, that's why I'm making and statistics. You need and statistics, right? Statistic. Um, Open here. Let's see. Open thing. So you can see this line. This is called as HR. If you use instead of HR, you can use BR. That is also okay. BR and tag. BR means large one it will give. So you can use HR here. HR with the small section. After this, we will need to use here the team. We are using this. You can also copy paste and using the HR. Okay. I want the testimonial like this. Copy the clipboard, open it, and you want to use HR again here. HR. Now here, if you're using statistics like a bar, like this, do games like this. But now I'll show you how actually it is. I have actually deleted half of it. So there you go. Now it comes here like this. Unity. You can use HR, but I will not use HR. So for good looking, you can use HR. Next, after testimonial, you need, if your website here, you can use the monthly and annually as subscriptions. So I want just a contact. This is contact. You can use this one, this one. There are types of this. I want this one. I don't want to show the distance one. So, or the copy and pasting. Now, here we are using this alignment. We can use HR. After this HR, we want to use a footer. Footer. You can use this. I want this one. Here goes. Copy the paper. And we use here. That's it. Okay, it's over. But we need to change it a little. So here, see this here with the Twitter is there, no, at the rate of Twitter. Like this, you can change here instead of mine. Go and follow now. Or right now, it's capital K, sorry, capital L, Lakshmana Datta, capital L, and all small. Okay, sir. Now, instead of here tail blocks, we can use here Nagma, actually, VIOS Studios. Now, after this thing, they will give a dummy image here. Says first one dummy image and last up one also dummy image. So you can tune this. There is an SVG pattern. This is SVG XLMNS. You don't know this. I have already in the link in the description below. I have given this thing. So there's a special kind of thing called IMGSRC. Oh, so just copy that. So copy and open here, and instead of SVG, we are using IMG. Yeah. So when we get the image selection data, you will ask this question. So right click on your folder, right click on this dude, you can say like that, and open in Explorer. If you open this in Explorer, I will open this file where I can put it here. So I will open another tab here and just serve my mail and website, which I will show you in the last. I made an actual website. So I will show you after that how I made it. So we see here logo one.png. So we can highlight this thing and remove it. So logo one.png, same as here. So copy it. So if you go to very top here, you see like this tail flux. So then now okay. Okay. Now here we should see an SVG tag XL, XML, and S. We should limit this and paste whatever you do at the down. So if I open this one, see this, my logo came up at both ways. So we need to change this copyright. So for this copyright, we are opening our code editor. Now let's go to the slide down. We'll see here. So it's we will do 2022 will be like this. Limiting. And we don't want to save if you're using that. That's it. So you can change whatever you want. I like this. That's good. I will not change anything. I like this. Now what you do here is after you complete it, Control S and close the editor. But you have to open your thing here. Open your projects and take this dude which you name your project You have to copy this and delete some files because if you're using PyCharm, then delete I said the files, or you can just copy them. What I say. So here you should open another one and you should use this here. So I will use the technique here, drag and drop technique. There you go. So let me give this a shot and close it. If you're using like me, I'm saying this name again. If you're using like me, delete dot idea dot idea and when and this folder, and you have to delete the main.py folder. So that way here you will get the folder. If I open this without anything, I will close it. I will open it. But here you see this one is not like an URL. So you need to get your own hosting. First option is Netlify, which they give you an hosting. Second one is 000.webhost.com. So how will you go there? So first I will show you the 000.webhost.com. 000, go to there. It's an easiest thing. It's powered by Hostinger. Actually, I don't want to log in here. I can just directly open here. So I can may have the tail map. There you go. So it asked me to fill my details. And I will fill my details. So when you load into here, okay, when you load into here, you will see, you cannot see like this. You will see a normal thing. How do you do that? It will ask you some details. So this is the site. So it's a portfolio landing page. I will use two things. Yeah. Okay, 1 minute I will delete this website here. So that way I can get asking. You can only host one website in 000 web host. So I will show you a technique here so that you can learn all techniques here. So just I will go to my settings, general, and just here is my website. So my website has been deleted. So let's create a new site. So here you have to use here. Um, you have to use here and then notepad. You have to keep this safely. So I want to make it enable Studio GPIOS Studios. Now this is the password they give. Wait, where is the crash? So this is the website they. This is the thing they. Why this going like? Okay, now take this, copy. So you don't want to show anyone. So this is you have to put that and click on create. So we can do this. So wait for a minute to get this creating. So if you don't want to do anything until this thing, so I want to know my name. I want to do my name. So control S. Say this thing. XX XX wait. This after this you will open this thing. So you can use WordPress or you can use File Manager. So already we have created an HTML file. So you can click on File Manager. So it will open this thing. So you need to open like this. So once you go here, there is a File Manager 000 request. So double click on the public.html. Then delete this ht access. So I think delete it. It's not visible. So now you have to go here is the refresh. Now you have to click on upload file, select the file. So we have to do here coding wrap, enter, and for you don't have to put the folder. You have to put the folder. You can put the folder and put the okay. It will not open. So you have to copy inside. You have to do and click on OK. Upload it. That's it. It's uploaded. And what you have to do is close the web host manager. So double times you click on refresh. Two times you have to refresh. So you can open the. So if you want to use the thing, so the website. So open my sites, click on my sites, and you will get this link, short link. And click it. You're in a live. You're in live. That's it. Another thing I forgotten to this. So if you want to put coding or programming or anything, which you can do here is I'll give you thing here, this IMG class, copy it and change whatever you want. So, so if you open click this one, manage website, it will just load a second for it. So we don't want this thing. Well, we don't want this dummy image. So we just load it. So another second option is Netlify. We use it, but Netlify is not important. So JJ Web Host gives one website, and Netlify gives awfully anything. Because you're using on the GitHub page, GitHub, GitLab, or Git things, right? So Git clone that. So what is taking a second? So I will show you the Netlify. So you open on it here. Just to type netlify.com. So sign up if you don't have an account. I have an account. I will just log in with my email. That is why this thing comes here. Every time I do this, it comes like this. Okay. But next we are opening here. So you have to create a team here. So you have only a team called Nebula team. So I have already made a website. Lakshman, I'll give you in the about section. You open there. So this is my website overview. Lakshman Datta portfolio.netlify.app. There you go. So it's a good website that you can host it with this. Let's look at this one. How much time it takes actually? Okay, that's very good. So you can set up an own domain. So we actually do this in the GitHub page. So you can open GitHub by signing up to GitHub. If you don't have an account, that's it. GitHub.com. Here we have a portfolio site. You can open this one and So I will open you this thing. So it's like portfolio website. So we copy this and post it to GitHub. And we have to put it private, not public. So that's why. So completed. Now we open the Netlify and connect it to our website thing. So connect it. That's it. So we can just here go to tools. So opening the file manager, and if you don't, you can use da- database here. So this is the database. You can add some database. It's a 1 GB limit. So you can already made it actually. So we do the second way here. WordPress. I mean, how do you do WordPress? So click on. So you just install the WordPress. So click on WordPress. Install. You should do admin and copy this password. So open your thing that you have downloaded. So what is this? Okay, just now it can be copied. So paste it. So after this, hide password. So it will open like this. Nebula Studio that. Next, click on install. It will install, but you can learn installing. So I will learn you Netlify. Netlify. Open Netlify. Open with the Netlify. So opening the GitHub. So it has a kind of place. Now you can make a new repository using the Netlify. So click on private. Repository name is coding web now. So don't do anything. Just do repository name and put it in private. So click on create repository. So open the file we have saved. So this two have a file. So if I open Netlify here, Netlify, and open my GitHub here. So click on upload an existing file. So I click on file upload B, or you can use choose your files. Double click it there. So click on commit changes. So it will take a minute. So now add new site, import an existing project from Git repository. We can use Bitbucket, GitLab, and GitHub. Since we have GitHub, so just do this on GitHub. And I have already there it says authorized. For the first time we are using this open. So for web, this is something. So we are using the main branch. We have to type main here and we have to deploy the site. So it will give a different name like stemming you can change this thing. So if the you see production deploys here. So see this day here, dude here. This dude is now ready to pick up. Now this dude here is using the add method, and this dude is using here. And this dude is using the password of the WordPress. And if you type the dude and enter it, will open the WordPress admin. So let me see about this. So this is processing my website and my dashboard of my Nebula services. There you go. It says hi admin. So that's good. So we need to be so you can do here is downloading and thing plugin. So add new. So if we do this, our Netlify will be overwriting if we do this here. So we will just close it. So type it here super fast. This is called Elementor, Elementor, Elementor. So it will open anything called Elementor website builder. Okay, okay, guys, I have forgotten thing. Here we have made ending here. So if we go to our website here, in web app you make here the thing as like this. But I said that is not the WordPress. We want to use only the HTML, CSS, and JS. So I already said that here. So go to File Manager. So I will show you here an example. Click on Manage Website first. If you open here. So now here scroll down that you can see. Scroll down in the File section. You can see the File Manager. Click on Upload Files. So if you open FTP, so let's wait for a minute. to open this FT file manager. So the double click it will open the all the files, but not ours. So I will just delete this file and make this original file only same file. So click on new file, no folder, same folder, public underscore HTML. So if you click on create, double click it, and I will upload my files here. Upload files, select files, upload these files. So here I have showed this earlier, but I have forgotten thing. If you click double click on here, so you will see this folder. So you can change here whatever you want. So in my thing, I have changed here image class this one. So let me do this here same way here image class like this. Okay, this image class is important. So we have changed this thing. Okay, now we have changed this now. So you can edit this thing, save and close. So we refresh this thing and open our dashboard here. So we will tell that this is dashboard. So we will open the dashboard and open the same website. Webflow Studio is like there you go. We'll open the coding thing. So yes, it will open one whenever you want, whatever you want, what do you do. That is okay. Huh? Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will see you in my next video.